What's going on YouTube? Brandon Lechuga here, and welcome to 303 Streets. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. Today we are working on the GT-R. It is going to be getting the full works. There's the lower lip down there. So it's going to be getting an oil change. It just got a new battery. I'm going to be changing out some of the transmission fluid. We're going to work on transmission cooler, and that's what I just showed you. Since that was put on, make sure it's not leaking or anything, and we're just gonna be doing a lot of work to this car. But today, again, the whole point of this one is we are working on the battery. So some of the tools you're gonna need really quick: a flathead screwdriver, a socket. This one is a 10mm, and that's about it. So really quick, let's start running through this. So to get this panel off, put your batteries covered right there. There's a cover, I don't know where I put it, but anyways, there's a cover that goes on right here, like on the other side, as you can see right there. Gonna pop the two clips off, and then there's gonna be clips holding it down. So there's one right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And if you don't know how to get these out, when they're pushed flat, you just kind of pry them open. Let's see if I can demonstrate really quick. Just take it, put your flathead in, and twist it. So that's how you get those off. That's what you need a flathead for. So after you get those off, I'm gonna just set them to the side for right now. Set them on my tiles. Then you're gonna have to pull this lip off. That lip's gonna come off. That comes out. This will come out. So once you put it back together, just push it back to make sure all the rubber's back in. And this is where you're gonna need your 10mm socket. So you're gonna take off, of course, take off the negative, take off the positive, and then this is just U-hooks. There's a U-hook in the front and a U-hook in the back. So I'll show you how to kind of get those out. Like I said, it's just gonna be that 10mm socket. I didn't crank them down hard because I wanted to show you guys. So I'm able to just undo it with my hand. And one other clip that you might want to take out would be that one. It just makes it easier to get the battery out when you do that, but I already put that one back. So that's another one that you might want to take out. All right, here we go. So this is what's holding your battery in. It's a U-hook that hooks in the front. It comes like that, hooks. And then you have a U-hook, or a J-hook, I don't know why I keep calling it a U, a J-hook that goes in the back, and that J-hook will face like that, and just hook up. So once you get those out, you can take your battery out, like I said, take off the negative, take off the positive, pull this up. You want more space and more clearance, pop this one up, and I can kind of show you really quick how to pop these up. I'm looking through my camera. Boom, that's all you gotta do. And it's out. And then when you go to put it back in, make sure the top's up, and then press it down, and it's locked. So this is just a real quick video on how to, replace your battery. The main reason I had to do this was just because I have abandoned it, which I shouldn't say. But I haven't taken it out in a while. I've been taking out the GT-R, my Kawasaki, and my dirt bike, or my UTV that's not here right now. But I've been just taking those out a lot, and the clearance on this car is not great. So yeah, it's just gonna get a lot of work on it in the next week or so. Like I said, new transmission fluid, oil change. I'm gonna try to bring it back to the stock height, maybe do air ride, haven't decided, but just gonna start working on it. This is me and my wife's car, so we're actually gonna peel off all the purple, and we're gonna get it wrapped in like a teal. She wants teal, so we're gonna make this her supercar, my supercar. And yeah, so that's just how to replace the battery in your GT-R real quick. And when you go to put it back together, put this on, this just flips, this just flips right back over. And you're gonna get a little bit of a fight right there because that clip goes right there. So that's when you're gonna use your flathead to pry it up in the front to get it off. If you don't wanna do that, you can slide it off, but it doesn't really match the groove to slide off. So you just kind of pry it up. But yeah, that's how you change the battery on the Nissan GT-R. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.